Start off, there's a little thing called biomimicry. It's the idea that we can look at nature to better inspire engineering and anything else. The Shinkansen bullet train in Japan is one of the most famous cases of that. The lead designer is birdwatching and saw a kingfisher dive into the water, and that gave him inspiration for the train's design. I've got some 3D scans, amazingly given by the Natural History Museum in London. I've converted them into usable files and done some fluid dynamic simulation, hoping to find what secrets the beak may have. The funny thing is, the beak's not that special. I've definitely learned his inspiration was from the dive rather than the beak itself. There's loads of challenges getting to this point. A lot of the software I've been unfamiliar with. So the first thing was learning multiple 3D modeling softwares as well as Star CCM for the fluid dynamics itself. My supervisor has been a great help the entire time, and he was able to give me a bunch of inspiration. Other than that, it's been a pretty seamless process, but a lot of learning, a lot of self-directed learning. The campus has been lovely, and just the general vibe, it's been very friendly, it feels very familiar, and a great continuation for myself.